In this section, we'll be taking a look at the available functions in Toolbox On the Go. When you open the utility, you will note the tabs. Clicking on each tab provides access to the various functions. Toolbox On the Go can be broken up into 4 areas of functionality: logging, configuration, download, and diagnostics. The serial number for the connected Toolbox plug will be displayed. Click on Connect. The data found under the OBC Info tab will populate. Here we can see information such as the company ID, vehicle ID, device driver set, and more. For logging, it is possible to configure MiX Toolbox On the Go to automatically start logging upon Toolbox connection. To enable this option, click on Configuration. Check the box Auto Log Start. Specify the path for where the log files should be saved. Here we can also specify the path for where the downloaded event and tacho data should be saved. And then click Apply. The Auto Log Start will take effect the next time you connect with MiX Toolbox On the Go. When the automatic logging is enabled, the log will be saved with the job number as description, and for manual logging, the log file will be saved with the date as description. The detail contained within the log will depend on what has been selected under the Log tab. Here we can modify the interval and specify what to log. We can also start or stop logging as required. For configuration changes, the 2 tabs we will use is Data I/O and Speed RPM. We'll first take a look at uploading device drivers, and this function is found under the Data I/O tab. Please note, to be able to upload device drivers to the unit, the FM dealer utility needs to be installed, as the device drivers from the dealer utility are used. If the dealer utility is not installed, then the Upload button will be unavailable. Click on Upload. The current DDX on the unit is displayed. In the drop-down menu, select the required device drivers. Click on Upload DDX. The green bar will display the upload status. The Upload Complete message under the green bar indicates that the upload was successful and has obviously completed. The same process will be followed to upload CAN and FM terminal DDM. To upload configuration, the config INI file or the plug dump binary file will be required. Under the Data I/O tab, configuration changes can be made to the odometer, vehicle ID and engine hours. A green tick indicates successful configuration change, and a red cross indicates that the configuration change was rejected. Under the Speed RPM tab, the current speed and RPM calibration values can be viewed and recalibrated. Click Get to view the current value. Enter the new value and then click Set to change the calibration value. Back under the Data I/O tab, we can set the date and time of the unit. This will set the unit date and time to that of your portable PC's operating system time. We can clear the unit configuration and we can shut the unit down. For downloads, we can download the event and tacho data. To download the event and tacho data, click on Full Download. The directory to where the .dat and TDT files are saved will be the directory which was specified under the configuration menu. For running diagnostics, the IOs, GSM, GPS and SAT tabs are useful. The I/O tab can be used to monitor either digital or analog signals, and the status of the battery, ignition and more. The default resolution is 0 to 38 volts, and this can be changed to 0 to 5 volts by checking the box. Under the GSM tab, we can view the data connection status and signal quality. Click Reset to refresh the status. Here we also have the ability to get the IMEI number and the IMSI number. Under GPS, we can verify that the antenna is hooked up and positioned properly to receive GPS data. The SAT tab will only be clickable if the unit has a SAT-enabled device driver. Here we can see SAT modem serial port status, SAT modem status, and messages current daily limit. The SAT status is refreshed every 10 seconds. MiX Toolbox On the Go also has a Snapshot function, which can be found under the Data I/O tab. This outputs a diagnostic summary to a text file which contains the I/O, GSM and GPS output, and also captures details such as the device driver and IMEI number. Click on Help to view the help file, and on About to view the version number of the toolbox, which may be required when contacting support or when upgrading your version of Toolbox On the Go. And this brings us to the end of this section.